lot of apologies to make.
Nothing's been the same since New York. You experience things, and then they're over.
The great thing about Iron Man 3 is we really are in continuation of the Avengers. We don't have to set up who he is, so we can go back to some of the things that I think made the franchise fly to begin with.
The Mandarin must be stopped.
There is something original, dare I use the word, intelligent approach to this film. I was really delighted to join.
You'll never see me coming.
It's interesting to come into something so iconic. It's thrilling to walk on and see the suit and, oh, Robert Downey Jr., Gwyneth Paltrow. It's all really exciting stuff.
I miss you, Happy.
Yeah, I miss you too, but the way it used to be.
I don't know what's going on with you.
It's fun to come back as Happy. He takes very seriously working for Stark Industries. He's very protective.
You were supposed to be issued a security badge?
Happy is okay.
Killian and Pepper worked together in the past. He's trying to get her back into his world again. He's kind of a dangerous character, really.
There's 100 people who want to kill me. Things are different now. I have to protect the one thing that I can't live without. That's you.
Robert was really interested in having Pepper do more in this movie. I got you.
I got you first.
The relationship between Tony and Rhodey is deepening.
We really wanted Rhodey to be able to match Tony in his bravado and his wit.
We do need backup.
That's your department. Are those?
Yeah.
They're really honoring what we did and expanding upon it.
Just good old-fashioned revenge.
Of course, it's done with all the fireworks and action, but there's really heart underneath it.
This is the most emotionally satisfying, entertaining of the three.